Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When you bend or straighten your knee, you may feel a grinding sensation or hear cracking or popping sounds. Doctors call this crepitus. These symptoms can occur when you've lost some of the cartilage that helps with smooth range of motion. Both OA and RA can result in cartilage damage.
Let's help you make your mark.
Are there ways to keep my knees from cracking so often? Singh says if knee crack is due to any malalignment of the kneecap, then techniques such as taping or correcting the alignment of the kneecap with the help of exercises can be useful.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Get them from salmon, trout, olive oil, nuts, avocados and supplements high in the DHA form of omega-3s. Take these joint preservers. Supplements with a combo of glucosamine sulfate and chondroitin may help on two fronts. They increase lubrication and decrease inflammation, and thus pain.
Let's help you make your mark.
Cracking and popping sounds in your knees aren't usually a cause for concern, and most people don't need treatment. However, if you have pain or other symptoms with noisy knees, it may be a good idea to see a doctor.
Let's help you make your mark.
Foods high in healthy fats include salmon, trout, mackerel, avocados, olive oil, almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds. The omega-3 fatty acids in these foods will assist in joint lubrication. Water can assist in joint lubrication. Make sure you drink plenty of water each day to ensure that your joints are lubricated.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Here are 8 foods and beverages to avoid if you have arthritis. Added sugars. You should limit your sugar intake no matter what, but especially if you have arthritis. Processed and red meats. Gluten-containing foods. Highly processed foods. Alcohol. Certain vegetable oils. Foods high in salt. Foods high in ages.
Let's help you make your mark.
The best exercises for bad knees. The most effective way to alleviate pain in your knee joints is simply to get moving, Woods says. Walking, water aerobics, cycling, swimming, yoga, and strength training all help improve the symptoms associated with arthritic knee pain and knee pain in general.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Medications that can help relieve osteoarthritis symptoms, primarily pain, include acetaminophen, Tylenol, others, has been shown to help some people with osteoarthritis who have mild to moderate pain. Nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, duloxetine, Cymbalta.
Let's help you make your mark.
Signs and symptoms of osteoarthritis include pain. Affected joints might hurt during or after movement. Stiffness. Joint stiffness might be most noticeable upon awakening or after being inactive. Tenderness. Loss of flexibility. Grating sensation. Bone spurs. Swelling.
Make your mark, take our lead.
While the many treatments may help to control pain and swelling, remember that crepitus may not go away. Speak with your physician about what forms of treatment will work best for your knee diagnosis. Depending on your diagnosis, physical therapy may also be helpful.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.